Okay, so I came up with another idea. This one I'm going to use an old phone cord that broke. This one's white. A strip of Dollar Tree diamond wrap. Tea light candle. Some shells. And this jute rope that I got from Dollar Store. And my hot glue gun. So let's get started. I'm going to take this phone cord and glue it around the top. I'm gluing around the very top of it. Okay, so it's having a little bit of a problem holding, so I think what I'm going to do is put a bunch of glue here. Hopefully it'll silk to the one below it. Give it a little bit more strength. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, here it is with the telephone cord wrapped around it, and then in the ends, I just put some tape on there until the glue, really dries, just to make sure it's going to stay for me. So now the next step is I'm going to add some twine. Okay, so here it is with the twine wrapped around it. And I'm going to put something there to hide that when I'm done. And I even went along the bottom to kind of finish it off. So now it's time to put the shells on. Since I'm thinking I want this to be the front, because I need to cover that up so you don't see it, I'm going to use, let's see, if I did that, it would go sideways. So that's fine. Okay. So I got a bunch of these shells. They sell them at the Dollar Tree, Dollar Store. So I'm going to take this big one, and it's got a shell and a shell. I thought that was pretty cool. And I'm going to cover that piece right there. Put some hot glue on there. Just kind of lay it. Oh, and I do want to say that on this particular bottle, all I did was I ripped off the labels, and there was a little bit of glue, the adhesive glue that they used to keep those labels on. That was on there, and I didn't wash off this bottle because I thought it's going to be like a beach scene, and it actually really helped hold the ropes in place while I hot glued them. So that's, excuse me, a step I didn't have to do. So there's that. Now I'm just going to randomly pick shells and just put them wherever. really cute. This one, for some reason, is not wanting to hold, so I have to give it a little bit more glue. And I'm using Gorilla Hot Glue. Here's another really pretty shell. No, I think I'm gonna have this one going this way. I'm gonna press it on for a couple seconds. It's starting to look really cute. I'm gonna lay him right across there. I think he'll do really good there with the hole sticking out. And where's the hole? Right there. Okay, so far that's how it's starting to look. Just a few more and we'll be done. Ouch, that's really hot. Stick them behind the rope, maybe that'll help. And there you go. Now, for the top, of course we're going to use the tea light candle, and I figured we'd stick it right down in there like I have been doing. But I thought I really don't want the purple to show, so I'm going to use this and go around the edges. Got a lot of hot glue on my fingers. Okay, so I want it to be positioned where the switch is in the back, because it would be too hard to turn it on and off with this larger shell in the front. So I'm going to figure out right about where I need it. Make it right to the last one that fits flat. Just cut off the rest. And stick it down there. And I think that's cute because it gives it a little bit more touch of a beachy. So to hide the very top, I found a pretty good size shell. And I'm going to glue it on opposite of where the switch is. I'm going to put the switch in the back. And I was thinking if I glued this onto this, I could turn it on and off. glue is starting to drip, so I'm just turning it upside down. A little glue in the back to make sure it holds. Seems like it's taking forever. And there it is. Oh. You're going to have to wait for it to stay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it until it really adheres. I don't know why sometimes the glue dries faster than other times. I don't know if it has to do with the weather outside, because I am kind of outside. Okay, so I just kind of tape that on there until the glue sets. And then we turn it on. And let me get it where I don't have any shells. I can barely see the light flickering there. So, as usual, I'm going to stick it under the car so you can see what it looks like when it's a little bit dark. Be right back. Okay, this is as dark as I could get it. But this is what it looks like with the lights on. And there's the back side of it. I thought it turned out really cute. I'm so excited to figure out what I'm going to come up with next. Thanks for watching. Bye. And here's a picture of it just sitting outside. I think it turned out really cute.